The time for the truth has arrived. Legal proceedings between Ripple and the SEC have been ongoing for more than 4 years. It is not necessary for anyone to know. The fact that the trial might be over by the end of this month might come as a surprise to you. Based on the opinions of analysts, the price of XRP Ripple coin is expected to increase to $500 or even $1,000. This is the most fascinating part of the story. Despite the fact that it sounds crazy, I believe that anything is possible in this crazy world we live in. This is the kind of signal that you cannot ignore. I will take you through each step of the process step by step. Thank you very much. Therefore, the XRP with the Ripple case being brought before the SEC, the cryptocurrency community has been on a roller coaster ride, but the most recent events mark a significant turning point in the relationship. The decision of the court that XRP is not a security was not appealed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple's legal team, which is led by Chief Legal Officer Stuart Alderode, has confirmed this information regarding the company. Due to the fact that it reaffirms that XRP will remain in its current state, this decision is extremely significant for those who own XRP. Laws pertaining to securities will not be scrutinized in a more thorough manner. Considering that Alderode referred to the decision as the law of the land, it is clear that the ruling is of critical significance for the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Due to the fact that the case has been going on for 4 years, the price of XRP as well as its potential for growth have both slowed down. The decision at hand is a tremendous relief. Among the members of the XRP community who are well known, JXRP tweeted, "The case was dismissed." Despite the fact that the case has not been dismissed entirely, this tweet demonstrates how many individuals who are in favor of XRP feel the inability of the SEC to appeal the decision is a loss for the agency. Despite the fact that Ripple has triumphed, the company is not going to rest on its laurels. In order to challenge the decision that the court made regarding the institutional sales of XRP, which Judge Analisa Torres had deemed to be securities, the company is getting ready to file a cross-appeal. This is the reason that Ripple was developed. The payment of a fine of $125 million is something that Ripple is attempting to fight against. The attorneys for Ripple, led by Stuart Alderode, are determined to overturn this particular portion of the decision. This decision has the potential to have significant repercussions in the cryptocurrency space, which is dominated by large institutions. It is possible that the company's relationships with major investors will be impacted. However, the Securities and Exchange Commission is not completely giving up. An appeal in the form of Form C has been submitted by the government agency. Going against the decision that the court made regarding the sale of XRP on cryptocurrency exchanges, the SEC believes that these sales should be considered investment contracts, despite the fact that Judge Torres stated that they were not. In its filing, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) used the term crypto asset rather than the more common term crypto asset security. This was an interesting choice. The language used by the agency has subtly shifted as a result of this. People in the community became even more curious as a result of the fact that some individuals, such as Lord XRP, dropped hints that a settlement could take place at any moment. It is abundantly clear that Ripple and the SEC are readying themselves for additional court cases, despite the fact that a settlement might bring about some resolution. The future appears to be bright for XRP, even as things begin to calm down. The law has become more transparent as a result of these recent events, which may finally liberate XRP from the cloud of potential regulatory uncertainty. If Ripple is successful in overturning the decision regarding institutional sales, there is a possibility that the price of XRP will increase even further. In light of the fact that analysts such as Colin Brown and Aminix have forecasted that the value of XRP will increase, it appears that things may have finally begun to turn around in Ripple's favor. It was articulated very well by Stuart Alderode. The decision upholds itself, and it is now the law. The question is, what does all of this imply for the price of XRP in the years to come? At the moment, members of the Ripple community are experiencing a great deal of excitement. However, things are about to become even more intense. The results of the new analyses that are currently being released by knowledgeable individuals from all over the cryptocurrency world are truly astounding. I have faith in you if you believe that you have seen everything. The upcoming surge in XRP will be significantly larger than anyone could have possibly imagined. What are the percentages that are being forecasted? Totally mind-blowing, in fact. Because XRP has been through some challenging times, many people who are interested in cryptocurrencies believe that the next big thing for the coin is just around the corner. For instance, XRP Captain, a well-known figure in the community, tweeted, "I strongly believe that XRP will not miss another bull run. This is intended to illustrate the point. At a different point in time." The bold statement that an explosive move involving XRP was on the horizon was made by him. The assertions made here are not merely empty words. They demonstrate that an increasing number of individuals believe that Ripple's native token is going to be the catalyst for a significant event. There is a significant amount of discussion surrounding the possibility that XRP could reach unfathomable heights such as $100, $500, or even $1,000. Even though these numbers might not appear to be likely at first glance, there are market analysts who believe that they are not completely out of the question. It is the Levi Rietveld. A well-known analyst recently stated that XRP could reach $100 if Bitcoin went through the roof and reached $1.5 million, which is the goal that MicroStrategy chairman Michael Saylor has set for the cryptocurrency. Considering the correlation between the rise in popularity of Bitcoin and the price of XRP, it is possible that shifts in the market as a whole could have a significant impact on Ripple's token. A significant increase in the value of Bitcoin could very well result in a surge in the value of XRP. This is because the market is full of unexpected developments. On the other hand, what about the goal of $500? Eduardo Farina, who is in charge of social adoption at XRP Healthcare, has stated that in 5 years, a price of $500 for XRP could be considered a good deal. This is especially true if Ripple continues to add new real-world applications and secures important partnerships. An idea that Farina is in agreement with is that the utilization of XRP in international financial systems and payments across borders might be a significant factor in its expansion. The price of XRP must reach that level. It would be necessary for the alternative cryptocurrency to experience significant increases in both its value and its utilization in a wide variety of contexts. Last but not least, the most important one, the price target of $1,000. Despite the fact that this objective may appear to be unattainable, Us.Thankx, a well-known market analyst, asserts that it is not 100% impossible. In order for XRP to reach this level, it would most likely need to become a secure method of storing value, similar to gold or Bitcoin, and it would also need to be utilized by a large number of people all over the world. In this scenario, XRP would transition from being a means of sending money across international borders to becoming a financial asset that is much more general in nature. Now, that's not all. In ways that the majority of people haven't even considered up until this point, cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly prevalent all over the world. The XRP Ripple is getting ready to be used all over the world, and it is possible that it will soon become a standard component of the transactions that everyone